DJI is the go-to brand when it comes to drones, and with the DJI Mini 3, it proves once again that even with the 4 out there, this model is still a serious and affordable option. Designed to deliver top-notch performance without breaking the bank, this drone is aimed at everyone, whether you're a beginner, a fan of stunning visuals, or even an occasional content creator. In this video, we're going to break down what the Mini 3 has to offer, see how it stacks up against the Mini 2, and even throw in a few words about its Pro version for those looking to take it up a notch. All the links and the best deals are in the description, so be sure to check it out after the video. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel. Let's start with the design, a strong point that defines the entire Mini series. The DJI Mini 3 features this ultra-compact and foldable design that literally fits in the palm of your hand when it's folded up. Weighing in at 249 grams, it stays under the regulatory limit of 250 grams in Europe, which means you only need to do a quick online registration to be compliant. No complicated training or certification needed. It's perfect for starting out with peace of mind. Compared to its predecessor, the Mini 2, there have been some subtle improvements. For example, DJI has added stabilizing legs at the front, providing better stability when it's on the ground. And when it comes to the finish, you get this sturdy yet lightweight plastic that gives a quality feel without adding extra weight. However, and it's important to note, the Mini 3 doesn't have front or rear obstacle sensors, unlike the Mini 3 Pro. That means it's a bit less smart, but on the flip side, it helps bring the price down significantly. Finally, let's talk about the remote controls. You have two options. The JRC-N1, already known for its reliability, requires you to connect a smartphone for video feedback. If you want some extra comfort, there's the JRC with a built-in screen, an all-in-one solution that's perfect for smooth use without relying on your smartphone. Now let's move on to the performance. That's what we're interested in. The DJI Mini 3 is equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing 12-megapixel photos and shooting 4K video at up to 30 frames per second. So yeah, we're slightly below the Mini 3 Pro, which offers 4K at 60 frames per second, but for most users, this is more than enough for smooth and sharp videos. In terms of photography, DJI has included handy modes like HDR bracketing to get balanced shots, even in tricky lighting conditions. You can also shoot in RAW for advanced editing. This drone also stands out with its 3-axis stabilized gimbal, which ensures stable footage even in moderate winds. And for social media fans, the gimbal can rotate to shoot directly in vertical mode, perfect for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. When it comes to battery life, that's another big plus, with up to 38 minutes of flight time using the standard battery and even 51 minutes with the optional high-capacity battery. It's a clear improvement over the Mini 2 and a definite advantage for those who want to explore and capture for longer. So who is this Mi 3 for, and how does it perform in practice? First of all, this drone is perfect for beginners. Its interface through the GFly app is intuitive, and the RTH mode, or return to home, ensures that your drone will come back to its takeoff point in case of a lost signal or low battery. In flight, the Mini 3 is stable thanks to its larger propellers, which it inherited from the Pro version. This stability allows it to handle moderate winds with a maximum resistance of 10.7 meters per second. Of course, you'll need to stay alert in more extreme weather conditions, especially since it doesn't have obstacle sensors. If you're a fan of stunning visuals, the Mini 3 offers quick-shot video modes like Drone, Spiral, and Boomerang that let you capture dynamic shots with just one click. And even without the advanced subject tracking modes of the Mini 3 Pro, it's still an excellent option for capturing moments with precision. Finally, for those who travel a lot, its lightweight and foldable design make it an ideal companion. It fits in a backpack without any problem, and it has a quick startup time, with takeoff possible in under 2 minutes. So, where does this Mini 3 stand compared to its siblings? Compared to the Mini 2, it's a real step up. You get better image quality thanks to the larger sensors, nearly 4 more minutes of battery life per charge, and modern options like portrait mode. The Mini 3 is a budget-friendly choice for those seeking versatility. It compromises compared to the Mini 3 Pro, but remains a viable option thanks to its great value for money. But on the flip side, it's much more budget-friendly, making it perfect for casual use or for pilots who don't need ultra-advanced features. Finally, even with the arrival of the Mini 4, The Mini 3 remains a viable alternative thanks to its unbeatable value for money. Not everyone needs the latest and greatest, and this model shows that a quality drone doesn't have to break the bank. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 3 is a great success that combines design, performance, and ease of use at a competitive price. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this drone has everything you need to capture spectacular images and videos. Sure, it doesn't have all the advanced features of the Mini 3 Pro or the Mini 4, but for its price, it checks all the boxes. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals and accessories. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I really appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a comment with your thoughts, like the video, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks, see you soon, bye-bye.